in the Messiah complex, it's found virtually in every single area, like social, religious, political. I mean, I'm the guy who's supposed to liberate the people, whatever. In religious, that's what we are focusing on. They invoke Mahdi, Christ, and so on. And this is what we are focusing on. We're not focusing on the political or social aspect of it. So the Messiah complex, again, let's summarize this. It's a term of psychology. It's not religious. Messiah complex is not religious. Please remember that. It can also be applied to political. And it refers to a delusional belief. This is a delusional belief. It's nothing reality in there. They just start believing that there's a role given to them by destiny, fate, whatever. And it's a grandiosity-based image of self where you feel, okay, I am ahead of everyone. I am better than everyone. I was chosen. God spoke to me. All of that. And then they have a strong belief that they're on a mission. Now, some people believe, some fake. We will talk about that as well. And it's like cult leaders. They do this. You'll find them like very charismatic. Getting into our trance and all kinds of energy states and everything else. And they're self-proclaimed. They have no mission other than their own that they have created. And again, as I mentioned, it's not related to religion only. You can find this in maybe companies, CEOs. I can quote some examples, but not polite. I guess we don't want to do that.